What's going on, everyone? Welcome to today's video. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is Derek and I like to do stupid shit to my cars. Today we're gonna go ahead and work on my S14 right here. Look at it. So freaking saucy. I just finished painting this car and the car isn't actually assembled yet. This is just held on by literally just like force. So it's not bolted in or anything. But today we're gonna get it ready to drive because we are going to see the Fast and Furious movie tonight, and I want to drive this thing to the Fast and Furious movie. Like, dude, who wouldn't want to do that? Yeah, like that's Mando. And so today we're gonna slap on the front windshield. Shout out to Harley, and the rear windshield, as well as mounting the whole kit together. As you can see, it's still loose and everything. So first thing we're gonna do today is we're gonna go ahead and grind down all of the rust right there. So we didn't even see this rust before I took the car apart. We only saw it right as Harley pulled off the front windshield. So we definitely got to repair that so it doesn't get any worse. But luckily for me, Harley works at an auto glass shop, so this man's gonna go ahead and take care of that. Harley's gonna go ahead, take this die grinder and literally grind off. Okay, trigger happy. And literally grind off all this rust right here. Hey bro, please don't touch the candy, you feel me?
No, that's what the
This was a lot of work, bro.
Molding is for.
Okay, let's see the professional go at it. Okay, it looks like the rust is a little bit worse than I thought. It's not just surface rust. Apparently it started like eating through the metal. So we're not gonna go ahead and sand off everything and just leave it as is. At the end of the day, it's just going to be a drift car, so I don't really mind this. Right, Harley?
As long as the windshield stays in, right?
Yes, sir. Hey, and if we keep grinding at this, the windshield might not stay in because we might go through the metal. So let's just, oh, Harley's over there fucking shit up. So we're gonna call it a day on this, and we're gonna go ahead and slap on the windshield right now. While Harley is doing that, I have an unboxing to do for you guys. So the homie Evan, shout out to Evan, sent me this little package for the Zenki front bumper. So most of you guys will know that the Zenki front bumper comes with orange lights, which is completely stupid. So in here is a box full of clear lights, baby. So we have all clear lights all around the front end. So let's go ahead, open up that box and get them installed. Look at that. Look at that. Dang, Evan, your packaging game on point, my brother. Check it out. We got the clear turn signals, which goes right there, and we got the clear other signals, which I don't know what these are, but look at them. Fire. Let me go ahead and show you guys these compared to the OEM ones. The OEM ones are so gross. That's the OEM turn signals. They're orange and freaking crusty. And then the turn signals are really hazy. Let's see if you guys can see the difference. Look at that. Garbage. Not garbage. See, just small little things like this will transform the look of your car. People really underestimate how small little details can change the whole look of your build. We got the urethane all set up. Now it's time to put on the windshield. This looks way better than before.
Yeah, I know, bud. He had a fat rock chip right here. The molding was coming off.
Oh, I forgot all about that. Okay, in case y'all were wondering why I didn't just paint the car with the windshield on, I'll go ahead and play this little clip for you guys right now. Now, I thought we were only gonna have to do the rear, but turns out Harley just saw the front. And what's your opinion of them, bro?
I don't know, man. This is kind of A1, ain't it?
Look, it's cut right there. It's cut right here.
We come under here. This looks like a bunch of blowout, does it not? Oh my God.
See, that's why I didn't. The molding was in like fucking 10 different pieces. There's urethane spewing out all over. But now, we got a perfect new windshield. Shout out Harley.
Not an OEM molding. But I kind of like this more than that.
Bro, this looks so clean. Look at that.
Yeah, just nice and set to it.
Like there's no gaps at all. This is like money. Chef's kiss.
This is a universal molding. This shit is not for the S14.
For real, bro. But it looks like it was for it. Look at how clean that is. Banger. Guys, so as Harley was finishing up this windshield, he's like, Derek, where's your cowl? And then I realized I fucking took my windshield cowl to the dump. To the fucking dump. Because I thought it was my S2000's old one, so I didn't need it. Turns out, it's for the S14, so now I don't have a cowl at all. So if any of you guys have a cowl for an S14, please hit me up, because I'm kind of hurt right now. I'm so hurt. Now I just have a raw cowl hanging out, whatever that shit's called.
Should have painted it, bro.
Bro, don't even say that. And this man, Harley, had the audacity to be like, Derek, on the good note, you got a Red Bull. Drink it. Maybe you'll grow some wings. Bitch, it won't make me grow a cowl, bro.
That's not on me, pimpin'.
Okay, true. That is my fault. That's all on me. But since the front windshield's in, now we got the back. And look at this. It has that crusty fucking 30-year-old tint.
Does this show up on camera?
Oh, it does.
Oh, it says University of I don't know.
University of I don't know. But it has like this little like thing embossed into the freaking tint, so we definitely got to take that off. And since the windshield's already off, it'll be easier to do that. So we got to make a run to Target and buy a steamer. In case you guys didn't know, a steamer is the key to taking off tint. Right, windshield guy?
I don't do tints, bro. I don't know.
Okay, well, according to my homie who does wraps and tints, that is the key. So let's go to Target, Harley.
On what?
Y'all take your car?
Yeah, we'll take it. Hey, we'll take the Zuki.
Yup, the Zuki. Peep Harley's whip. He got a Suzuki, baby. Look at that. Ah, this is the Pimp Mobile. Hey, this is what all those narcos drives in all those movies. Am I right?
Yeah, bro.
Hey, Pablo Escobar probably had one of these.
Hey, boys, watch this. I'm finna lower this. Roll the fenders. I'm gonna get the fucking quick release up here, bro. We're gonna pimp this out.
No, please don't do that, bro. Welcome to Target. Hey, Harley, can you tell me one thing?
Can I tell you one thing?
Yeah.
Yeah, what you wanna know, my boy?
Why the fuck does Target have those balls outside?
So you could suck them or sit them. I don't know.
What did you say?
Look, bro, she's sitting on the balls.
Oh yeah. Yeah, she on the balls. I got red balls. Hey, I'm honestly surprised no one has ever attempted to remove them. You would think that someone would try to like fucking take a chainsaw or something, right?
But why?
Oh no, just for the fuck of it.
Just put it outside your crib, be like, yeah, I hit a lick on Target.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Oh, would you guys look at that? They're out of fucking steamers. Hey, this day can't get any worse. First I lost my windshield. No, first I threw away my windshield cowl. And now they don't have steamers? God damn it, my boy.
Hey, you wanna know what would be worse?
What?
Shit, you know, we're cruising the Fast and Furious. He gets a little too fast, a little too
Okay,
furious.
no, don't even say that. Don't even say that.
Yeah, no.
Look, Bed Bath & Beyond came in clutch. We got steamers on deck. All right, let's go home and see if this $20 steamer works.
How about let's break it?
Okay, let's not. All right, I'll see you guys at home. Got the steamer all set up. Look, it's warming up. Oh, never mind.
It's already warm.
It's already warm. Okay, let's take off this tent. So literally after like what, 45 minutes? 30, 45?
Yeah, about
something
30.
like that. This is literally all we got off.
Hey, but we're learning how to finesse it, bro.
Facts.
Like this is where we started, small pieces.
Now we got them big boys.
Now we got them big Johnnies.
Yes, sir. So the steamer really comes in clutch. The only bad thing about it is your fingers. Oh, bro, kiss them goodbye. They're about to get fucking roasted. But hopefully we can get this all off within the next 30 minutes so Harley can install the back windshield and so I can install the whole kit and everything.
And then go watch Fast and Furious.
That's what I'm saying, my boy.
I've only seen Tokyo Drift. I'm really only going because I want to see if they go to space or not.
Fucking Okay, so now Harley knows what he's gonna do when he goes home. I guarantee you this man's gonna binge watch the whole series.
That's I'm not gonna do that.
Why?
That's like hella effort, bro. I got bed to go to, bro. It's gonna be like 3 a.m. when I get home. I got work at 8.
Round two, baby.
It's like we're going to Oregon again.
Yes, sir. Check it out. Windshield is officially untinted. So now Harley's gonna work his magic, put that on. While he does that, I'm gonna go ahead and assemble the car because it's 9:20 and the movie starts at 10:20. So you know what? Let's start grinding, baby. Well, boys, I'ma call it a quit, and I'll probably pick things up tomorrow. It's 10:01. The movie starts at 10:20. We're just gonna go ahead and slap on the back windshield, and I'll do the rest tomorrow. I should have just done this while Harley was putting on the glass, but you know what? Now we don't have to rush, and I can just do everything tomorrow. Look, this is what happens when you start to rush shit. Look at that. Chip the fender. Fuck me. Good thing it's a drift car. Started drilling some mounting tabs and let's rip through the fiberglass. Take your time, boys. Don't rush shit. This is part 52 of me learning that. Back glass is all in now. Look at that. No more purple tint. Oh, that looks so good. Well, it's time for me and Harley to go see the new Fast and fucking Furious. So I'll catch you guys tomorrow morning. Peace out. Alright, boys, we just got back from watching Fast and Furious. Hey, even though the movie was unrealistic as fuck, it was still kind of busting, right?
Bro, that shit was kind of fire, bro. I definitely recommend it.
Bro, Fast and Furious literally went from a car movie to saving planet Earth. Bro, I'm not even kidding you. Fast and Furious 9, they went to fucking outer space. Outer space, my dude. It was the most wild thing ever. I guess Harley's now packing up because his job here is done. So now it's like what, 1 a.m.?
Yeah, 1:30.
Yeah, it's 1:30 in the morning. Should I go to sleep? Fuck no.
Body work time.
Yes, sir. I'm gonna go ahead, just finish. Oh shit. That scares the fuck out of me. I'm gonna go ahead and finish this S14. I pretty much, let's say, maximum an hour and a half. I just gotta put in the headlights, the corner lights, and install the rest of the kit. And that's it. And you guys already know, it's a drift car, so I'm gonna self-tap the fuck out of this kit. And you guys are gonna watch me do every single bit of that. So scratch how I said that this bumper comes with all the holes and stuff already drilled out, because they didn't even drill out the tabs for the grill. Look at this.
Motherfucker's lazy.
Facts. Those 3 tabs have to fit onto this bumper, and your boy doesn't know where a Dremel is. So you know what we're gonna do? We're about to use a drill, baby, at 1:30 a.m. Man, my neighbors must hate me. Fuck, this is not gonna work.
Oh yeah, not if you don't, bro. Look how bad this guy's holing is, bro. That is like a oval.
I'm trying to stretch it out. You see that?
Oh, never mind.
Yeah,
never mind,
so
never mind. You say yeah. Shut up.
Come on, bro.
Does it fit? No, it don't.
But all that needs to fit. Or should I just cut this off? So then we can just zip tie to that.
Why don't we just stab it down? What is this made of?
Plastic?
Yeah.
Bro, you're telling me you could stab this off without fucking yourself up.
Bro, I play with razor blades all day.
Okay, let's see it.
Yep. Let me get a new blade because you know we don't want to do anything that we've already cut with.
Yes, sir. I'm fucking dead. He's doing it.
God damn, we were so close. Okay, well now we just gotta keep it pushing. Got to see it through, my boy. Oh damn. Okay.
We got to see it through. He did it.
Who said
what
that?
the fuck?
Who said there's no way, bro?
What the fuck? He actually did it.
Yep.
Damn, Harley. I see you, my boy. Look at that.
Got to see it through, my boy.
And look, we have 2 more. Alright, Harley, I got the front end on. You ready to see what she looks like?
I am excited.
Look at this, man. Asian squatting and shit. Okay, white boy. Oh my god. Bro.
Damn.
That's fucking bussin'.
Looking kinda mean, bro.
Bro, but tell me why? All the lights are new except for the headlights. These look so yellow compared to all the other lights. So next mod has to be some new clear lens for these headlights, right?
Yeah, but ooh, look at that windshield.
Damn, look at that windshield though. Now that we got the front end all installed and looking real good, now it's time to actually install these side skirts and put in some bolts so it's not janky and flapping out like that. And then we can go ahead and move on to the rear end. So with these, I'm gonna do what pretty much all 240 owners do. Use tap-in screws, baby. Well, that was super easy. Now we move on to the rear end, baby. We're gonna install this replica B-end bumper and the taillights, and then we pretty much should be good to go for the night. All right, boys. Just like that, we got the entire car all assembled. We got the taillights on, the rear bumper on, the side skirts on, the front bumper on with all the lights. So everything is good to go. It's like what? Let me check what time it is right now. It's 3:55 in the morning. So I'm gonna go ahead and head to bed. First thing I'm gonna do tomorrow is I'm gonna go ahead, clean up the inside of this car. So I will catch you guys tomorrow morning. What's up, guys? It's now the next morning and it's time to pull the S14 out of the garage and see how she actually looks like with the entire kit and everything on. We're gonna go ahead and dish these shitty stock mirrors for, drum roll please, Nick. For all of you guys that don't know, these are Ganador replicas right here. They were only like, I don't know, 60 bucks, and I'm super pumped to put them on the car. Hopefully they don't look too janky, but I guess we will find out. Look at that, the fender doors look way better. Oh my God, look at that. Looks so freaking nice. In case y'all are wondering what brand this is GK Tech. 80 bucks. I think it was like 80 bucks or 100 bucks, I forgot. But they look pretty darn good. You guys already know what time it is. Time for me to show you guys the final result of my S14. So cue the cinematics, baby. That pretty much wraps up today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. The S14 is finally all back together in one piece. And so next up, we gotta slap on some new wheels, a new exhaust, and a bunch of other goodies. So make sure you're subscribed and hit the like button down below. And let me know what you guys think about the S14 down in the comment section below. Until next time, peace out.